Welcome to a culinary journey deep into the heart of Punjab, where tradition meets taste. Today, we're going to explore the authentic process of creating two iconic Punjabi dishes, Sarson da Saag and Makki di Roti, right from the farm to your plate. Our adventure begins in a vibrant Punjabi village, a place where time-honored customs are still very much alive. Here, the rhythm of life is deeply connected to the land and its bounty. Feast your eyes on the picturesque landscapes, the rustic charm, and the simple beauty of a traditional Punjabi village. This is where the magic begins. The secret to truly delicious Sarson da Saag and Makki di Roti lies in the freshness of the ingredients. Let's see how they are harvested right from the fields. Watch as skilled villagers carefully handpick fresh sarson or mustard greens from the fertile fields. This is the star ingredient of our saag. Alongside the sarson, other vibrant vegetables and aromatic herbs are also gathered, each contributing to the rich flavor profile of the saag. With the freshest ingredients in hand, it's time to begin the preparation of the famous Sarson da Saag. This dish is a labor of love, passed down through generations. The greens are meticulously washed to remove any impurities, then expertly chopped, preparing them for the slow cooking process that will bring out their best flavors. The chopped greens are then transferred to a large, traditional pot, where they will slowly simmer to perfection, absorbing all the wonderful flavors. As the saag cooks, a blend of traditional Punjabi spices is added, followed by a tempering of golden ghee, creating an irresistible aroma and rich taste. Now, let's move on to the perfect accompaniment, Makki di Roti, a rustic flatbread made from cornmeal, designed to perfectly complement the saag. The journey of Makki di Roti begins with grinding fresh corn kernels into fine Makki flour. This ensures the freshest and most authentic taste. The Makki flour is then mixed with water and kneaded by hand, creating a soft, pliable dough that's just right for shaping the rotis. Watch as the skilled hands of the village women expertly flatten the dough into perfect round rotis, a true art form in itself. Once shaped, the rotis are ready for cooking. This process is quick and precise, ensuring a perfectly cooked flatbread every time. Each Makki di Roti is carefully placed on a hot tawa or griddle, where it begins to puff up, indicating its readiness. The rotis are flipped and cooked until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, a testament to their perfect texture and taste. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, serving and enjoying the fruits of this traditional culinary labor. The aroma is truly divine. The freshly prepared Sarson da Saag is generously plated alongside the warm Makki di Roti, ready to be enjoyed. A dollop of fresh butter or a drizzle of ghee is added to the saag, elevating its flavor and adding a creamy richness that is simply irresistible. The villagers gather, sharing stories and laughter, as they savor this wholesome traditional meal together. It's more than just food. It's a celebration of community and heritage. Join us next time for another authentic culinary journey.